I am Godwin Nello. In this video, we'll be looking into what we call introduction to partial derivatives. And partial derivative is denoted by a sign called so. We will be looking into a volume of a cylinder with volume V and radius R. So V is equal to pi R square H. Now, where V is equal to a dependent variable, and where R and H are both independent variables. Now, in partial derivative, we differentiate a particular function with respect to a function, and we keep one constant and differentiate one. So now, where V is equal to pi R square H, now we will differentiate V with respect to R, leaving H a constant. So partial derivative of V with respect to R is equal to 2 pi R H. Now, differentiating V with respect to H, we have that partial of V with H is equal to pi R square multiplied by H 1 minus 1. This is equal to pi R square multiplied by H minus H raised to the power of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equal to pi R square multiplied by 1, because H raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So hence, partial derivative of V with respect to H is equal to pi R squared. Thank you, viewers, who will do this again.